All right, I'm going to go through the electrical system of the Kallulik. There's a little bit of complexity there, and so I'll go through what the basic switches are, so you know how to start up all the systems. To begin with, we'll look at the 110 volt system. You can plug the boat into the electrical system, the local electrical system, to 110 volt cable, as you can see over here. So we're doing that right here in the yard right now to be able to charge up the batteries. So this could be a good thing to do in the spring when you're getting the boat ready. Just put a plug in connected to the town's grid. It's 130 amps, 125 volts. You can see that the little blue light is on. So this piece, normally keep it in the pilot house under the back seat. And excuse me, when you go inside the pilot house, you can see here at the bottom that you have a generator and shore power, and it's connected to battery charger. These things are connected together. There's a little piece of wire here. It's pretty important because you want to make sure that when the shore power is off, the battery charger is off as well. At that point, you can use the inverter. The boat has an inverter that allows you to produce 110 volts from the 24 volt batteries. So when you do that, you can switch on the inverter here. Then you can use the electrical outlets here, the one that's in the engine room, plus the one that's in the forward cabin that powers the microwave. Now when you do that, you also have to set the Victron inverter. So we switch that on. The inverter light comes on. So there's up to 3,000 watts, so you can use power tools and so on. On board, you can use power tools in the engine room or whatever else you need that's 110. Okay, I'll stop that here and restart for the DC systems.